Guys, we just come across this Honda Prelude in one of these estates around the corner from where we live, and just check it out. So we really like this car. We used to have this back in the days. We used to have the 2.2 VTEC and a 2.0 litre, or 2 litre should I say, 2.0i block back in the days. We thought, you know what, it looks nice. It's got black leather interior, and just look at that dash. Look at the Recaro seats. I've never had one with leather interior. The rear's been stripped out. It's got nice bucket seats, and they're nice and soft as well. What a luxury to have on this Honda Prelude. So yeah, we knocked up on the owner's door. Seen better days. Let me show you the front. Yeah, so we knocked up on the owner's door and we've come to some kind of deal, or Zabz is trying to do some kind of deal. Oh my god, is that a wishbone at the bottom? Don't know what's going on with this car, but it definitely needs a good clean. It is a nice project to buy. Can't believe this car came with wheel caps. I thought it'd be alloys as standard back in the 90s, but obviously not. I mean, just look at the car. This is a sunroof model as well, and it's rusted as anything, but very rare to get. If I open this side over here, oh sorry, you'd have to open the, if you don't mind. Yes. All right, so leather interior. And on the dash, normally on the speedo clusters you get that little hump. This dash is straightforward. Not my cup of tea, not something that I like, but you know. Steering wheel, again, it's got mold, but I love the leathers. Check the leathers out. So we're just pumping the tyres at the moment. Someone's obviously tempted to break into the car. We've got the key barrel over here, and the owner's saying definitely needs a fuel pump, so he's stripped the rear seats, attempted to do the fuel pump on it. But guys, so the owner said 500 for this car. Let's have a look at the boot. Oh, that's the original number plate. Yeah, so it's got private plate at the moment, but that's the original number plate. So we put back onto this. What's that?
Micro, brand new, give it for
Oh, we don't want it.
Okay.
Was it brand new?
No, brand new.
Alright, leave it then.
You want it?
Yeah, if it's brand new, we'll leave it. We're salvage with it.
Do it for your side, brother.
And then that bumper needs doing up. Zabz, recovery here?
Yeah, recovery as well.
Oh, so we got the recovery truck as well. Alright, Zabz, open the bonnet please. I mean, just check it. I love this car. We can do so much. There's so much potential on this car. This is the best bit. We got gold engine dressing on this. So as you can see, it needs a lot of work on this engine. But yeah, let's get this on recovery truck. Let's get it home. So we finally got that recovery truck over here. So we're going to winch the Honda Prelude. We have bought it. We'll give you a full price of how much it was in total and what we agreed upon. Normally we do it from the front. This time we're doing it from the back. Can't be bothered turning the car around. Let's get this loaded, taken to our place, and we'll do another walk around and give you the full details of what we're going to do with this.
The handbrake on?
No, everything good.
Seized.
Seized.
Back wheel.
That's gonna come off.
That's the door.
Now turn the wheel left. Yeah, that's gonna come off. an issue with that wheel there, that seized, it's not turning at all.
We see, just do it one side, isn't it?
Yeah. Got the winch from the back end of it.
Exactly. Cars on top of the truck. Wheels. Passenger driver's side.
So we finally got the Honda Prelude loaded on the recovery truck. We did have an issue with it loading. And if I show you, so this side wheel was okay. The front was okay as well. Actually, before I show you anything else, check this recovery truck out. This truck, look at the interior. It's got a A-class or CLA or even the new C-class maybe, I think. Interior, look at that seat. It's gonna be pure comfortable driving this. And not only that, just look at the color of this recovery truck. Is it wrapped or is it painted? Don't know, but it looks so nice. Anyway, come back to the Honda Prelude. You forget that, look at the interior. That interior is so sick. So yeah, this side wheel is jammed. Don't know how we're going to take it off when we get home, but that want to spin. So I think the handbrake is seized maybe. Oh my god, I didn't even see that. Look at the exhaust on this recovery truck. But a quick close look underneath the car. I mean, it's not looking too bad. Obviously, we've got the engine tray in the bottom, so already can't see much. But if I zoom in, maybe look at that. Seems to look all right. Not looking bad, basically. So the recovery guy is gonna go now. Just do the camera thing.
And off she goes.
We got the Honda Prelude back at home, and as you can see, we've got a stick in the rear wheel because the rear caliper, if I show you, you can see over there, seized. So what we've done is got a stick, got a bit of a hammer, gonna hammer the crap out of this, which we've already done. It's really got a lot of rust there as well, so you can see that. Oh my days, look all that rust is falling off the caliper or somewhere in the wheel. Hopefully they should have released it by now, but let's see. We're gonna go ahead now and we're gonna get our Nissan Micra. So I'm just trying this down in the center, just over there. We've got our Nissan Micra over here. And the Prelude. Tug of war, let's see if we can pull it down. I've also noticed on this car, the rear quarter. Oof. Yeah, and guess what guys, this leather seats has, I saw the memory button and I saw that, I thought this is electric, but then I realized, oh my god, it is electric. Oh, stop. Yeah, we released it. Oh no, break it. No brakes. Oh my god, there's no brakes. All right. 1 second. He's a roller for sure. Slowly gone.
It's a roller.
You got brakes on it, eh?
Yep, it's a roller for sure. We got the car off the truck. and I think that did the job.
Bro, that was some scary shit.
But we got no brakes now. No brakes, but it's rolled off. Oh, look at all the rust on that recovery truck. Especially this one here, look at all that rust released from the back wheel. Look how easy that is, huh?
This is a one man, bro. Oh, it seemed easy to jump start these back in the days for one man to jump out.
We finally got our Honda Prelude where we wanted it, so we're going to park it inside. But guys, this is a wrap for today's episode. If you enjoyed the episode and you want to see more content on this Prelude, give us a thumbs up, like, follow and share. See you in the next one, guys. Take care.